Wherever you happen to be inside of Salesforce, accessing their online help is always just a click away. To access Salesforce help, all you've got to do is click on the question mark here in the top right of the screen, and you'll see that says Salesforce help. There's a little pop-up there. This little pop-up comes up with some getting started links, and then as well help for this specific page. So this is context sensitive help. It does contextually bring up the help article for whatever page you're on. And here we've got campaigns home, which corresponds with the campaigns home page because we're on the campaigns tab. Also, another help article that may be a good match is manage campaigns, as well as more resources and links as well. Some of these are more generic or general, such as keyboard shortcuts, viewing release notes, and more. Also links for going to Trailhead, as well as getting support. And so let me show you what happens if you change to a different screen then. Let's go into an individual record, and this would be an opportunity record. And then if we were to click the help icon here, help for this page, there's a couple of links. This would be denoted as a video, this play looking button here, work your opportunities and manage your pipeline. Then also here is a help article for opportunities. So you can just simply click on the links, brings up here in this instance a Salesforce video on managing your opportunities in your pipeline from the Salesforce Docs team. And then the help article, if we go back to that, the opportunities link will take you to an opportunities help information screen here. And then you can dive deeper into these topics by following the various hyperlinks as well. You can also select down here at the bottom, this open in new tab. You can have that be its own tab in your browser then. It takes a while for it to figure out who you're authenticated as inside of Salesforce if you're logged in, and brings up the full-blown help system for Salesforce as well. And so then you can navigate further from here also. Salesforce Help is context sensitive, available from any screen inside of Salesforce, so check it out whenever you have needs for further help on the Salesforce platform. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Also share with me down below in the comments what you'd like to learn in Salesforce. I just might make it my next video, and until then, I'll see you in the cloud.